Hi, my name is Joanna Roy. During this professional development session, we will explore Wiser.me, an online platform that allows teachers to create quizzes, tests, and worksheets. Our goal today is to become familiar with the online tool Wiser.me and learn how to create visually engaging assessments for our students. I chose this program based on the Needs Assessment Survey, in which half of the teachers surveyed rated the school below 60% in the assessment and evaluation category. Wiser.me will provide teachers with a platform on which they can quickly create high-quality quizzes, tests, and worksheets. Today we will learn how to create teacher and student accounts, create assessments, and track student progress. Let's dive right in and learn how to create a worksheet. You can sign up for Wiser using any of the ways listed. Since I am already a member, I will go directly to my dashboard. This is the page you will see when you log in. As you can see, I have already created some worksheets. Let's look at an example. How about treble clef wordplay? First, we will look at the preview. This is what the students will see. I created this quiz using the Fill in on an image task. The students taking the quiz will simply click on a blinking circle and type in their response. For example, the first space is an F, the second space is an A, etc. Once the students have answered a particular question, the circle will stop blinking. Now let's go into edit mode by clicking on Create and Edit to see how the quiz was created. If I wanted to edit any part of the question, I would click this Edit button. If I wanted to delete the question, I would click the Delete button. If I wanted to set the point value, I would click Set Point Value. Let's edit the question. Here are the directions. You can also leave voice instructions if you would like. In order to create a new blank, I simply click anywhere on the image I have uploaded and type in the correct answer. If I want to get rid of a question, I click the X. The correct answer for this one is F, A is the second space, C is the third space, and E is the fourth space. Once I'm done, I will click Done and Save in order to save my choices. If I scroll all the way down, you can see the different types of tasks you can create. As you can see, you have many different choices, including the one we just used to fill in on an image. I also want to point out that it is very easy to add video, images, and links to your worksheets. Now let's try to make a worksheet from scratch. You can create your own account and make one along with me if you would like. I will return to my dashboard and click Create Worksheet. First, you choose a theme or design. Then you choose your cover image, background color, and font. Let's create a short math quiz. To start creating the quiz, you simply add tasks. We'll start with the multiple choice question. Here you will enter the question and the options. What is 1 plus 1? You can also add recorded voice instructions if you would like. When we enter our answer choices, you can choose an image or type in an answer. You'll then choose the correct answer, click Done, set the point value if you haven't already, and then go up and hit Save to save your work. Since time is short, we will skip review and go straight to Assign to Learners. With the free version, you have to publish your worksheet to the gallery in order to get a link. I will also click Automatic Feedback so that the students get their scores immediately. When I click Create Assignment, I will type in the title and then click on the link to get a link I can share with the students. I will copy the link and share it with my students. When I copy and paste the link to a new browser, I will see what a student will see the first time they attempt a worksheet. Here, I can enter my name and create a password. Students do not need an email to log in, which is very helpful, especially for young students who don't even have an email address. Once we have entered our name and password, we can sign in as a student and take the quiz. Here's our math quiz. What is 1 plus 1? We know the answer is 2, so we're going to choose B and click Save if we want to, or hand in your work if you're done. Wiser will prompt the students to go over their answers before confirming that they want to hand in their work. Now the assignment is complete. Now let's navigate back to the dashboard to view our results. Once we're back at the dashboard, if we click the 3 dots next to the word Share for any particular quiz and choose Answers from the drop-down menu, we will be able to view individual results from each student and leave specific feedback for the students. If we navigate back to the dashboard and click on Learners, we will be able to see a list of learners, and if we click on an individual student, we will be able to add attributes that student has, as well as see a performance summary of all the assessments that student has taken. Now you know how to navigate through wiser.me, how to set up teacher and student accounts, how to create and share worksheets, and most of all, how to make your job easier. Now it's your turn. When you explore Wiser on your own, be sure to create your own teacher account, search the community worksheets for your subject, area, and grade level, experiment with the different types of questions you can use when creating worksheets, and have fun and enjoy yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Please click on the link to start your journey with Wiser.